Hello, friends. One more time, I welcome you all to learn one new more thing. In this video, we are going to learn how to trade in our Bilexa exchange, which is one of the top centralized
Recording in
exchange.
progress.
Okay, without wasting the time, let's move ahead and learn how to trade in Bilexa exchange. First, we will go to our Bilexa exchange. We need to log in your account. In the two more previous video, we already learned how to create the account, how to verify account with the password and the KYC. In the next, we have seen how to transfer the fund into our Bilexa account. Okay. Now, in this short video, we are going to learn how to trade, how to buy, how to sell our assets. Okay. This is our home page. After login, I will go directly to the exchange. Okay. Now, here, if you look after this thing, search option written over in the right hand side, I will just write ECN. Okay. ECN is paired with USDT in Bilexa account. I will click over here. Okay. Now we'll land up on the trading page. First, I will show you how to buy. Then I will show you how to sell. Both the things we will show you. Now, over here, you will see the balance. Okay. You must have the USDT balance to buy the ECN. Okay. Without USDT, you can't purchase because again, I'm telling you the pair is ECN USDT pair. So you must have USDT to buy the ECN. Now, there is a three column. One is price, second is amount, and third is total. Price, it means now over here, you can choose your price. At what price you want to buy. You just place your order. Whenever this price will come, your trade will execute. Okay. You did not to enter anything on amount. Amount, as per your trade, it will show you the number of ECN. Okay. Amount means quantity of ECN you want to buy. And the third, total, how much USDT you want to spend. Okay. Now, I will show you both the thing, how to set the target and how to trade immediately. Okay. First, I will show you how to trade immediately. First, I will go to the price. The current price, you can see over here, it's 0.62 is the running price. Okay. Now the seller is selling on the 0.6292. You can see over here, the top one is the lowest price that the seller is offering. Okay. Okay, this trade is trading right now. And here the seller, here the buyer is demanding. And then in this box, the seller. Okay. The current price is running 6292 is the last trade. Now I will put it over here for the quick transaction. I will put the rate 0.63. Okay. Now I will put the number of USDT I want to spend on this trade. I will enter, let's take example of 50 USDT. Okay. Now see here the amount column. It automatically come as in a 79 ECN you will get at this price. Now there is a 4 more boxes with the 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. It means how much percentage of your USDT you want to spend. Okay, let's example. I'm just clicking on 25%. Whatever the balance is USDT, the 25% is taken over here on this rate. If I click 50, then half, 75, and 100. Okay. Now, if you don't want to go as per the percentage wise, you can enter as per your choice. I'm just entering as a show for the 50 USDT. Okay. And number of ECN, it shows over here as a 79.365. You need not to enter anything. You just need to enter at what price you want to trade on the price column and the amount you want to spend from your wallet, either by given written or by the percentage. Okay. Now the current price is running 6117. I will enter over here 62. Okay. and I will click on buy ECN. Here asking my security code. Once you enter the security code, just click OK. Limit order created. Okay. Now you can see in below, I place the order for the buy at the rate of 0.62, amount, the number of ECN, how much USDT for this I spent 49, and the status is partial because the rate is jumped. When I entered over here, then the rate is jumped. Okay. Now this is the process where you can understand if you want to set the target at what price I want to buy. Okay. Now, if you want to cancel see, immediately the price has come down and the trade has executed. This trade, you can check 0.62 USDT, 79 ECN I got, number of USDT I spent, and this one. Okay. Now, how to limit? Okay. Let's take example. I just want to buy at the price of 0. Let's take example 55. Okay. And I want to again spend the 50 ECN. Okay. I will click on buy ECN. Order submitted. Here, order is submitted. Now, whenever the price will come to 0.55 USDT, automatically this trade will execute it. Right now, status not filled. Okay, it's very easy. You need to just remember, you just need to enter your choice of price, either current or whatever your target price, and enter the number of USDT. Now, come to the second phase. We have completed right now the buy ECN. Now, if you want to sell your ECN, if I want to sell my ECN, okay, same thing. The current price is 6165. I want to sell my ECN at the price of 0.75. Okay. Now, how much USDT I want against this 50? It means from this balance, this is my 5,246 ECN balance. Total number of amount I will got. Amount means quantity of ECN. 66 ECN I will got it at this price. Okay. At this price, this much ECN will be sold and I will get 50 ECN. I will place the order, sell ECN. Okay. Now, when I sell, again, the order will be on standby. Sell, you can check, sell at this price. Now, here I can show both the thing. If you want to immediately buy or sell, you can put up your current price, 0.62, trade executed immediately. Now, if I want to wait, but not want to sit in the front of system, I just trade on my price, 0.55 for the buy. If this price will come, my trade will execute it. And if this price will come, 0.75, this trade will execute it on a sell side. So friend, this is how you can buy and sell any assets on the Bilexi and our ECN. Again, I'm repeating, you just need to enter on the price, at what price you want to buy or at what price you want to sell. For against that, how much you want to USDT you want to spend or how much USDT you want. As per this thing, your buy and sell will be ordered. Okay. Now, coming forward, I want to transfer my asset from Bilexi account to any of the other Bilexi account. Okay. I don't want to give my ECN, but the process is the same for any of the trade. Okay. I will show you as an example to sell withdraw my USDT from my one Bilexi account to my another account. Okay. Now go to the funds over here. In the fund section, you will see the withdrawal. I will click on withdrawal. Okay. I will select the coin. If I want to send the ECN coin to anybody, you just need to select. Okay, but I will show you the USDT because ECN is the future wealth. I don't want to sell. Okay, USDT. USDT is a stable currency. The price will be like that only, 0.1 up and down. That's it. Then USDT, I will select over here. The balance will be shown over here. Frozen balance, it means for how much USDT I froze for the trade. Okay. Now the available balance is shows this much balance you have to sell or transfer. I will click on the TRC20. Okay. Now here in the receptant USDT address for the TRC20, I will have one address. I will click this address for the TRC. You just need to copy this address. Now go to the receptant USDT address, paste the address. Now number of USDT I want to send. Okay. Now it's showing the minimum withdrawal is 5 USDT. Transfer fee 2 USDT will cut it from my account. Okay. You will get 2205 USDT. Now I just need to enter my security password first. After that, if you two-step verification in this very much required, either on the email or either on the SMS. This two. If you have activated your Google account authentication, then you just need to click on that. Okay. Any two verification it requires for any of the transaction. This much is secure. Now click on this send over here also on the email as well as for the SMS. Okay. Now I will check my email as well as my SMS. I'm just waiting to get. I will go SMS I received. That is 624019. Okay, SMS verification code. Now I need to check email. I will go to my email account. Verification code has come. Now my verification code is 321032. Okay. Now I will click submit button. Okay. First, I came to the withdrawal section. Withdrawal. Select the coin you want to send. Select the ERC, TRC, which platform. I go to my address, recipient address to whom I want to send. Enter the number of amount. It means quantity of the coin. Okay. It will show you what is the fees and all. After that, security password. Click on send the email authentication code and SMS verification code. Once you receive, just enter. Now submit. Confirm withdrawal. Now withdrawal success. Okay. Now here it's showing it's processing. Okay. Now it will take maybe a few minutes of time and the front of person will receive this USDT. And over here, it will write it down, process done, completed. Okay. So this is how you can buy in the Bileksi any of the assets. You just need to look after the pair and that asset must be you have. You can sell over here. And at the same time, I also show the withdrawal. This is the only three things you can use for the trade: buy, sell, and send to or transfer your assets to the other one, as in the term of withdrawal. So, thank you, friend. This is how we can do the trading in our Bileksi account. Thank you all. Keep learning, keep earning, keep growing in your life. Thank you.
Okay, that was amazing.